How to create a glossary out of your Trados files using ChatGPT fully automatically. This is something I'm going to show you in this video, and we're starting right now. So as you can see, I have some text here in this SDL Trados Studio. And because I'm a very lazy person, or I don't have time to create any glossary, I would like to create such a glossary automatically. So what I can do now is to close this file. So I press Ctrl plus F4 to close it. And then I just right-click in Trados and choose Explore Containing Folder. So as you can see, I have that file here. And then I go to Bohemicus, to this Trados, cats, and Xlif pre-translate remove 80s, and I simply drag and drop this file onto Bohemicus. And I simply click this Create a Glossary button. And it will now take a minute for the ChatGPT to create the glossary, as you can see. And now it's ready. So the glossary has been created for me. And what I can do now, I can simply select it all and I can copy it out. So by pressing Ctrl plus C, and then I go to Microsoft Excel and I simply Ctrl plus V, paste it here. And it's not perfect, so I will have to adjust it a little bit, maybe move it around. Okay, now it's better. And maybe also like this, I move it a little bit around, and then I add the source language, which is English in this case, English, and the target language will be Czech. And I can save it. I just give it a name, so let's say glossary, and I click save. And now what I can do, I can go to this little app, which is called Glossary Converter, and which we have here. And now I can just drag and drop my Excel file onto this glossary converter. So let's find my Excel file, which we have right here. And so let's drag and drop it. And this glossary converter will actually produce a multi-term file for me, which I can subsequently use in my Trados Studio. As you can see, it's been created now, and we have the glossary right here. So now I can go back to my SDL Trados Studio. I can open my document, and I can attach a term base. So file base, multi-term, term base, and I can simply attach it. And as you can see, now when I go through the text, all the terms will be nicely written here in this sub-window, sub-panel of Trados Studio in this term recognition panel. So as you can see, here we have, for instance, children, děti, here again. Here we have power cord and children, children again. Here we have electric kettle, translated as elektrická konvice into Czech, power socket and voltage, and so on. So this is how you can automatically create your glossary without having to do too much work. So thank you for watching, and see you in another video.